ai Canada ho tsan
no hoye pa no hoye pa
ere nyamiase
ai rumo bi ko
na me busa se
sabasa entisa no kora ba ko kra nim na yese na bi de ba ko de Tracy Hwani na ba ko so de afia Hwani me ni mo Tracy I don't want to know them because say panu so we asema wo kan don't do that ono ne ho den say omo mu gina city hotel ayi adwuma kwan ho no mo yi no
kana de ba but tisa sa asemi ho antoma former president Mama Afro assassin
oh there be the kasai
former president Mama aid when fell
Edu Tamaklo in fact madam you know
so say former president Mama yes one friend
no worried I know the need to be
oh but say we aid dia
I mean Edu say madam funti na me send on ken picture no
okay
fortunately na mo colleague Samson Kenya me check
sure
ono so kwa America ko no je no achi omu twa picture na me send I mean omu ka kana na mo kra all the small me baby am na me kwachira no mais
okay
maximum betina ha the speed ababudu ase
someone now man for say
na ko kwani oye minor operation
okay
America kra enye omu nka no esuasa omu nka no operation omu kan procedure
okay
or procedure is okay the grand America na me ne ko restaurant ene akasa 3 times me ne ko restaurant ko breakfast ko didi ade chem zako amankwa form ashanti jina chama ko no me ne tu bi ko indi bi asa no man fu ba me
so u fo say omo sa news no fe hen
omo minim omo wish ne omo pena I mean
former president Mama
one friend you minim aid ne kasa
okay
the aid here Edu Tamaklo madam is a good friend you know you ko be brain you wanted to know say no okay and I'm say yes of course okay and I'm doing a picture of Samson Kenya me check Sunday trust and doing it and you ya I mean
and somebody see krom ha we dey be na wate
and somebody see Kumasi Ghana ha na dey no so no
I dey see krom ya say na say bibrew
dey no yes e ko chi mbio ngo yes e ko chi mbio
can you please forward it to me now you just forward to me now yeah shaken I'm from Africa and Japan yes or my friend
to be ambo
for sure yeah if I me na yeah say bit me Africa I'm just want to be TV ni when you 101.3 I'm mum komo NID yeah ne lawyer Raf Kwame Japan Canada Japan ni ya prekope on edin komo okay man Sunday high na pass through there na yeah has bit me Africa ka ha and yet MP na say you walk around demonstration even yeah Ghana Japan public property wakose no na won kwa chenchina twan o say o mfani
matete kakra but the mpese inyira ye careful so avoid collision cause between the Ghana police and parliament because no I'm some new radio station because I make a chomo there's a decision on it mekai the Republic versus High Court Land Court 12 ex-party Kennedy Ohene Japan there was a pronouncement on whether or not MP Ihiawa ubutumi akwa and the court said a criminal summons you have to go in our situation you know na the judge who had an issue who can have an issue with or someone no na me a challenge it say parliament in Louisiana but the Supreme Court said no a criminal summons you need to be able to miyako unless and until parliament a juma said MP no the position akwa kujina no and after the kujina what they are then there must be a justification. The question is when will this end? When will it then means Cecilia MP saying I will go, parliament is saying we release him. Can you say you will not release him forever? Because I mean the man bend na de me pese na ma ensi ni se ebe ni se a ebe du time bi no MP ni be kokota then a judge who is an independent minded person will say look the police says here who what about there Mando what will happen and the judge has the power to do that. A judge can easily remand MP no.
Okay.
Bail and discretion.
Okay.
He can give or not give. So ultimately.
That's it.
So you're careful. So the bear do we see. You're stretching body degree. So the air quiet. We are. I mean. A speaker of parliament, yes, or a very powerful person, but I do they should look at it.
As according to majority, I say protect MP no too much.
Majority so protect MP no. Yes, of course. Na say ebi na yeke. There are situations where in this republic, a man example say second judge Kazo here make court. So judge make Kazo Mandela. Again, there's that time no. MPP was in power.
Sure. But
the power doesn't belong to who MP when you are in court. You're careful. So the this one a bit more critique coalition course between parliament and the police service.
Okay.
You're careful. Partnership. Yes, I'm what a purpose of that achieve. Say, into the party, many MP can voluntarily let's submit him. I'll go and appear before with the police almost over the Mekokota. Court judge and any panel or two. Whatever the judge's position will be, if you say what's a more that you put up your case,
okay,
and then but I mean the judge is a human being. Only by arguing now. Okay,
lawyer, you share you share a bit on security. So far, meaning baby IGP ya finance system no ID kakra no yenhwe na yenhwe meaning say meaning so far will take on security in the country.
Security as in say Kumasi for example recently nobody do CCM say for me na we can do better. We can do better. We can of security no. I'm saying within the past 6-7 months. Sure, in probably 11 or so no Kumasi. So which we account here. We go to a tonsu, you could be a book room. Recently sometimes you says into the police can do better. But to compare MPP and the NDC, MPP is far better. MPP we are only good when it comes to Nomadi. But a basically, when there's only a minimum chrono, so I know man, a buy a banana my basano, but Madame for Dr. Bia, I respect the panel meeting common and also in Yahoo because we are not probably be away if you say, and now if I say I'm a Bajiska. Say, or Pisca could pay the school fees. Pisca could pay the school fees. One mamma Bajiska so could Pisca could pay the school fees. Say a easy problem, Marco. It's a easy problem. Easy problem. Now, we get to our catch you. Oh, doctor, the be out of free education. Because you get to afford it to pay your school fees. But the social interventions are by the bar. What to compare? They're busy and also far better. It is security wise, lady, and they should up their game.
Okay.
Make a choice within the past 8-9 months. And no more cost Kumasino, especially as I'm telling you now.
Now, talking about the government's efforts to curb this down and make sure say chrono security they intact, and so police no you can say near my buying the support to police so that they are be effective and what may develop on mandate no minimum also IGP by modern bar generally not specifically in Kumasi.
So IGP there Biana near can will boil down to parliament again. IGP or the best no hear the support of the government because on the budget corners of Penoma ebetuma na ya adwuma enoma ebetuma na ya adwuma no so parliament are approving sika mana ontumi nya the expecting but the citizens no so I was say uni interfere konfo ema uni abi nko baabi na wan ko huna nkwan ko dili bole no akasa aminu yanka immediately we are also reporting the panel say the bear police for the bear maduma ako ele say akoya tienizo konfo ba en kawe asamba na be fi so a ana ekokodu a e be le say enti for me abai no oh the problem ma Ghana yewo Libya and say let me rely on abai finance minister I can say bi na no almost one can you well a beer say the sika one can you but the queen pan a beer yes school o de good now man can say bi Ghana School of Law
okay
there is a problem sure obi azu okọ law school meboa ini be a problem omo ko exams na se nipa na mpase then omo so omo ko demonstration National Accreditation Board omo na regulatory LLB Bachelor of Laws and omama schools be accreditation to do legal courses or to teach LLB schools you need no interest interest is about money. You pay me money, I'll give you a certificate. Hey. Yes, at the point open Ghana School of Law any panel or set a question or no National Accreditation Board any correlation via National General Legal Council or set the question me am to this is what to yes economic exams o pass ya e ba admit so baby ya o faculty no program no ya papa because the program no ya papa o mo che LLB no delivery e be pan time because your schools be o mo ya 3 stretches e be your science programs 6 weeks no there criminal law every 6 weeks me I want to know LLB certificate within that short period no ebi so te faculty bi or the 1 year LLB no eyi no was all classes edi o pese wow this is easy na wa feel no you jaw na be the unsuspecting general public no say we lawyer na GLC na no to our second question na only baby a okoya LLB ni free no okoya ko failure o so ko demonstration is it fair?
So that's the genesis of the
only problem. You see, at the GLC level, General Legal Council level, there is no marriage relationship between GLC and National Accreditation Board. Accreditation Board also the Kwame Opoku Japan Law School. Yama affairs accreditation. O run LLB. Open you open LLB. Maybe I'm the LLB amount. Me pia o pia me come school fees am me maje. Uko baby whether me deliver with the LLB ni kuta now entry point no say LLB no be on no yan tell what you can never pass the exams
okay
enti anoma ha bi okomu abi no was it demonstration here no omo wo do fire none na mo kwa o tro no failure na sa ko tro bi mu a e boawo
sa
e ma usua na better because law if you law don't swear law be sure no we show bottom I show bottom forever I want to na ya ko demonstration na mo pass here na ya pass na ba be court now the general doing argument what will be the essence of it?
You can't defend the case.
What will be the essence of it? Because you have to go beyond the law. You have to have common sense and you have to reason. You have to reason. A demonstration we are going to do you don't award LLB. We tell General Legal Council or LLB. or set questions for you to write, and he's not even under the Ministry of Education. And normal Koswa, a junior medical school, and a dear Hussein, who come on Copasia, your cousin, young job life now. Let me tell you about the Bruno. No, I mean, come on.